Hello. I hope you people have filled the form for the mentorship batch, which is commonly shared in the group. So today we will talk about in detail plan of the mentorship batch, right? And in fact, today was to be your first day. Like we had planned a session yesterday, but not many people had filled the form, so we had to delay it for one day. But that does not make much of a difference. So we will continue today itself, like from tomorrow. Once you start paying and sending me the screenshot, I am going to like add you to the group, and wahan par daily you will get the targets, daily you will get the sources, and then weekly you will write the we will have the previous year question analysis for the first 6 weeks, right? So this is about the 12-week program. So let me again brief you, whosoever has confusion, they can see this. Let me just share the screen so that you will be able to. Can you see the screen? Anybody can speak it out. Can you see the screen? Okay, okay. So this is the, can you see the plan now? Yeah. So this is the 12-week plan that we are going to do. Let me just brief you each and every point that we are going to deal over here. So first, today we are doing the introduction class. I will tell you the whole strategy, and you have to imbibe this, and why we are going to study like this. That also we have to understand, so that you may not feel that okay, what is this haphazard manner of studying this anthropology? Why don't we start from 1.1 of our syllabus, and why don't we end it at 9.3 of paper 2? So why are we studying in this manner? That also I am going to explain, so that you have an inbuilt confidence on the plan that I am going to share it with you, right? So सबसे पहली चीज, you will get daily targets, so that you will have a streamlined preparation. It is not that weekly I have given you targets, so all of them you read it at 2 days before the week ends. So daily you will get the target, daily you have to try to complete that topic. Sometimes the topic will be lengthier, so it is okay if you are carrying it forward to the next day. However, November 14th, like after 1 week, you will have one whole day of emptiness, like you will not have to do anything. So on that day you can cover any of your backlogs, right? So this is how we are going to deal with. So for the first 6 weeks, I'm talking about the 12-week program. So the 7 weeks will start after these 6 weeks, but for now we will start the 12-week program. I will explain you the 12-week program, and 7 weeks I will include it later, right? So we are beginning with the 12-week program. The first point that I already told you, you will get daily targets and weekly targets. So week wise I am going to give it to you in the Telegram group that we will separately create. So once you send me the screenshot of the payment, I will add you to that group, and we can continue forward. Then after you complete the topic of first week, on November 14th we will have a previous year question analysis discussion, right? So here daily I'm going to give you the daily targets, and from where or which source you have to read those targets from. Clear? So sources also I will give you the simplest and the sure shot source. In case you have read that topic from elsewhere, just send me a message, ma'am, this topic I have read it from here. If I find that that is enough for you to cover the syllabus, that is okay, I will allow you to read it from there. Otherwise I will suggest you to change the source. Are we clear? So this is going to be about the daily plan. Weekly, what we are going to do, once a week for the first initial 6 weeks. So daily, what you have to do is read the targets and make proper notes of them. Note making ke upar, there is already a video on my YouTube channel. Over there, you can go and check it. How to make notes offline. Online, I will show you later. Right? Online, you can make it on OneNote, so that I can show you later, like in any of the class, or I will make a separate video on online note making. But for all offline people, there is already a video made. So आपको notes daily आपको बनाने हैं. That is what you have to do. So that you keep doing for 6 days, and on the seventh day, I sorry, yeah. So on the seventh day, we will have previous year question analysis on these topics only. So you will understand that once you have made the notes according to the syllabus that I have given and the sources that I have mentioned, are you able to answer those questions sufficiently or no? Suppose you have a problem, we can have those discussions on that day. We will deal with the googly questions, how to answer on the basis of what knowledge you have built, right? So this is how we are going to build our base in the first 6 weeks. Now let me explain you. So direct interaction with mentor, you can directly interact with me. I will be available to you every week, or in fact every day I will be available on Telegram. You can just ping me whenever you like. Next, value addition material will be given. So whatever is given to the mains people, that is going to be given to you also, so that when you complete this course and attempt the 2021 paper, you will actually know what is useful for you in what way. So that we are going to do. Then best sources, I already told I'm going to mention. Case studies simultaneously, daily to daily will be uploaded. Matlab, whenever I find a good case study, it will be uploaded in the channel, and a compilation will be given to you in the form of value addition material, not only of those but additional things also, right? So that will happen. And formal study group will be created on Telegram, where you can, check or see the answers or queries of your peers also. You can find a study partner along with your study, right? So वो भी आपको वहां पर available होगा. और daily answer writing will happen after the 6 weeks in the 12-week program. After the 6 weeks, daily answer writing will happen. So that I will explain you further. Let's move from week 1 to week 2, right? तो पहले हम यहाँ पर understand that daily one topic of theories we are going to do. I hope everybody is aware of, those who are choosing the mentorship program, they are aware of the syllabus, at least roughly, right? So you might be knowing that unit 6 of paper 1 is dedicated to theories and anthropologists. So because 2020 में question आया था Victor Turner and liminality, right? So Victor Turner is actually a symbolic interpretative theorist, but still his liminality contribution was asked. That is why we will see in the approach that each anthropologist within that school of thought, we are going to study in depth. Okay, that is the main purpose of reading one anthropologist per day or one theory per day. If the theory is very small, like postmodernism or be it cultural materialism, so we are going to deal with that theory. If the theory is huge and there are multiple anthropologists within our syllabus, we are going to deal with one anthropologist per day. So this is how we are going to lessen the burden of our study, राइट? तो आप एक एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट पर डे पढ़ेंगे तो उनके बारे में एकदम ही यू विल बी एबल टू answer any kind of question very nicely, and you will be able to recall the points of that anthropologist. So for conceptual clarity, we have taken the chunk. So once if you complete this in 4 weeks, फिर for 2 weeks, if you see week 5 and week 6, we will deal with Indian anthropologists, which is unit 4 of your paper 2. Clear? So is tarah se you have to we are going to go about when it comes to theorists and anthropologists. Now if we come to paper 1 and paper 2, so we are going to do it simultaneously. Most of the time we are going to do it simultaneously. Sometimes it is going to be just physical or tribal, so that we will see like day wise, right? So first day, that is because we already missed one day, so we're going to start from today, tomorrow basically. So tomorrow you're going to read unit 6.1. I'll give you the source also. So, what is the purpose of reading 6.1 or Tribal India first? And that will be mostly from Nadeem Hasnain. So, you are going to read all the concepts and use the examples from that book, that is Nadeem Hasnain, for your socio-cultural part. That is your marriage, family, kinship, this economic organization, political organization, religion, and your racism. And here, demographic profile of India. So, demographic profile of India from paper 2 and racism have a lot of interlinkage, right? Most of the topics are similar. So, we are going to deal both of them together. So, this is how we are going to comprehensively cover the topics. And mind you, there is no interrelation between the topics of paper 1 and paper 2 with the theories that we are studying. It is just that if the paper 1 and paper 2 are taking up much time, I'm going to club it with those theories which take little lesser time. Suppose if we are dealing with, if you see here, we are dealing with, in week 4, we are going to deal with other tough theories, that is structuralism, functionalism, etc., which need a lot of understanding of you, and it demands a lot of time of yours. So that is why if you see, we will do the ekdam hi light portion of paper 1, which is your first units and culture and society part, and your language part, and research methods. Again, research methods also, when we come to week 4, I will give you 1 or 2 research methods daily, so that things will get more easier. So this way, if the main portion of the paper 1 and paper 2 is tough, the theories are going to be simple. If the theories are tough, the portion is going to be simple. So in that way, we are going to try to cover the portion in 6 weeks. Now, mind you, we are not robos, so that every day I give you the targets and every day you will complete that. Sometimes you will have mood swings. Sometimes you will have some work that you will not be able to follow this, right? So at that time, what you have to do, you can choose uh, you can either choose to do the backlogs on the empty day, that is the weekend, right? On Sunday you can choose to do. Otherwise, even if 80% of the syllabus you are able to cover in the first 6 weeks, in the next 6 weeks that we are going to start, during answer writing also you're going to revise your notes, your handmade notes, and you can cover the backlogs that are there, right? So I will deal with the differences between the 6 week of note making and 6 week of answer writing. So let me just complete the week 3 etc first. So week 1 we have seen. Week 2, what we are going to do, we are going to see the classical and neo evolutionism together, right? And then we are going to deal with the like to say tribal anthropology part, basically. Sorry, this is just scrolling here and there. Okay, so here it is, tribal anthropology and the miscellaneous part. This is about the religions and this is the miscellaneous part, right? So this is how we are going to go about in week 2. So we are going to cover the tribal part, which is also a headache for a lot of people because there is so much material available for tribal and people don't know what to read. So that we are going to cover it up. So major chunk of the portion will be over. Then we will move to the most important part and most objective part in week 3, which is your physical anthropology part. Okay, even that you will see that how smoothly you can do it within 1 week. However, it is obvious that some of the portions of physical anthropology will be under backlog, so don't mind. Next week again it is a very light week, so you can carry forward it to the next week also. So you can slightly manage the schedule in that way according to your personal uh, needs, right? And here we have already seen again the theories are very very simple, single theories are there. Okay, next if we see week 4, I already explained the tougher theories and the simpler portion. Now when we come to week 5, we are going to deal with Indian anthropology mostly, and we will start with the paleoanthropology also towards the end. So here also again there will be a chance that you will not be able to complete this topic very like at the given time, right? So it is okay, you can carry it forward further also. Okay, here also we can make some personalized changes according to the students demand when we actually meet up in the group. So this is just the rough plan, and here you already saw about the Indian anthropologists at both places and the miscellaneous part that is there. Okay, especially about the female Indian anthropologists, all such nitty-gritties and such unique questions I will also give you, and you have to prepare them at your own. So this is going to be in the initial 6 days. Now what we are going to do at the weekend on Sundays, we are going to do the previous year question analysis. I hope it is clear. Okay, on Sundays we are going to do the previous year question analysis based on the topics of what we have seen over here. Okay, so based on those topics only the previous year question analysis will be, and whatever question that you think is to be dealt in detail or the answer you want for that in the week also you can tell me so that I can compile them and give it to you, right? So it is going to be always give and take. What you demand I will try to fulfill, right? So it is going to be like this for the initial 6 weeks. Now coming to the next 6 weeks, again we are going to follow the similar pattern. Okay, so that you internalize this way of studying, so that whenever a topic on unit 2 comes, you can automatically when it comes in paper you can interlink with 9.5 also then and there. Okay, इसीलिए इस तरह से पढ़ा जा रहा है ताकि your interlinking capacity increases. So now what are we going to do in the answer writing batch? Daily, how you used to make notes over there, now here you will have a again last day will be a simple day for you, or rather an off day for you. On that day we will discuss all the answers that you write in the week. Now how many answers will you write in a week? 6 into 3, 3 per day, right? 3 questions per day you will answer. So in that way 18 questions, and 18 into 6 we are going to answer so many questions basically. So वैसे आपको you will move forward. Again the pattern is same, right? In the first week you're going to deal with the same topics. This way you're going to complete the syllabus in 12 weeks, that is January 30th, and on 31st of January you're going to write the 2021 paper, right? And it is going to be a like already leaked out paper because you will see the paper. So whenever the paper comes out I will do that discussion also separately. And January 31st you will write the paper after You make the notes, proper notes for it after the complete previous year question analysis and the value addition material that you get. Using all the material that you got, you will attempt the paper as if you gave the mains on January 31st, and then you will see how much preparation I have done, how much is left, so that when you complete prelims and clear prelims and come immediately, you can start answer writing like our previous batch did, right? So the people who used to write every day in the mentorship batch, they cleared the prelims. I can vouch for it. Every person who wrote every day, ठीक है, no matter how hard the question was or how boring it was to write every day, but every day who wrote for these 6 weeks of the program, in the next 6 weeks I'm talking about, they cleared the prelims, because that gives a confidence that okay, I am so well prepared for mains, that I'm so well prepared for mains, that I have to clear prelims. And us josh ke sath they gave prelims, they cleared it, and now they are completely mains ready. So if you see their answers from day one of the test series batch, you will understand that how well prepared they are. So that is what the preparation has to be when it comes to preparing for your anthropology before your prelims itself, right? So before you start the preparation of prelims itself, if you complete anthropology, you will be at a very good advantage. And on 31st, after you write the paper, I will give you the final discussion. That is, I will tell you how to strategize or how to study anthropology, clubbing it with your prelims preparation. Because once you read anthropology and leave it just abruptly, it is not going to help you. You have to have a continuity of the subject. So I will tell you the strategy how to read it during the prelims also. And this time, don't expect that the prelims is going to get postponed, right? It is not going to get postponed. So ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना. Now if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any particular doubts, individual doubts, you can ask me. So this is the overall plan, basically in depth. Today itself, as soon as the payments start coming, I'll keep adding you to the group, and today itself I will keep posting the 2 days ka sources and 2 days ka targets, right? So you can try to finish both the days targets now itself. Otherwise, on 14th also you can cover it up. So we will go as per the plan only, and this is how we are going to go about. I hope the things are clear. If there is any particular doubt, you can ask me.
मैम मेंटरशिप का 7 वीक वाला प्रोग्राम फिर कब स्टार्ट होगा?
हाँ, it is going to start like one after 5 weeks. 5 weeks of this program is there now. So let me tell you the date. December 6th onwards, the 7 week program will start. So that together, so 1 week will be delay. तो वैसे करके 6 weeks कवर होंगे, और 7 weeks वालों को एक वीक का गैप मिलेगा लास्ट में. जो लास्ट वीक है उसमें गैप मिलेगा. तो वहां पर आपको मतलब 31st जनवरी को आप भी 2021 का पेपर देंगे इनके साथ ही, 12 weeks वालों के साथ ही. तो तब तक आपका वो भी कवर होता हो जाएगा. या any other doubts? I hope all of you have filled the form. If you haven't, please fill the form so that I have a count of how many people are actually joining the course. And the targets will be posted today itself. So there will be no more delay, right? There are no particular doubts. Everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then I guess if nobody has doubts, I'll end up the session and we can meet in the group, Telegram group.
Ma'am, for 7 week we can pay later, right? Just before you announce the date for the.
Yeah, actually, the dates also I will edit the message and write Okay, 7 week is
uh,
starting from that day. So it is up to you. If you want to pay later when it is starting, you can pay at that time. If you want to pay now also, you can pay. It is up to you. This, but the seven
okay.
week is going to start at December 6th.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. So when the 7 week people join, I will add them to the same group. So first 6 weeks you will do, like you will be following that plan, and for the next ones they will join and they will follow that plan. So this is how it is going to be. Okay, then I guess if you guys don't have any much doubt, the people who are going to watch this later on YouTube, you also, if you have not filled the form, please fill the form so that we can actually start the process of admissions, and I can add you to the group, right? And if further, if there is any more doubt, you can just ping me on Telegram. I will be there to answer you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh.